Hi, I would like to talk about various spiritual exercises that can help in treating physical disorders of the brain, mainly due to depression, anxiety, insomnia, and even delusion. Mostly, these physical disorders are caused by the frontal lobe activity. The frontal lobe is the place where your pineal gland is located, your third eye. Mostly, what happens is people get into stressful situations and unnecessarily get into anxiety or depression due to the trauma that is caused by a past life situation or an ancestral pattern or a belief system. And if they don't do any inner work for coming out of the particular situation that is traumatizing themselves or stressing out themselves too much, there is a chance that the nerve electrons on the frontal lobe of the brain, it gets extremely burned out, and those electrons need replenishing of energy just like anything else. Like when the physical body gets extreme stressful, what happens is we need food and rest to relax ourselves and come back to shape. Similarly, the frontal lobe of the brain, that also will get affected if you stress out too much in difficult situations. And with simple exercises, spiritual exercises like a visualization exercise, you can actually revitalize the frontal part of your brain, the frontal lobe of your brain, and cause those nerve electrons to become healthy so that you come out of the depression, anxiety, insomnia, or even delusion. There is a primary auto-conscious brain that everyone has, which is situated at the backside of the brain. That is where the psychic power center of our brain is located. And instead of using the backside of the brain, what people do is they unnecessarily go and waste the nerve electricity that is produced by the frontal lobe of the brain. The primitive autoconscious of the brain is located at the backside. That is where your power center is located. That is where the brain waves are actually generated for producing electrons to focus ourselves on a healthy state of mind. And the frontal lobe, mostly there is only the pineal gland, which is the third eye, which is useful for focusing on ourselves or envisioning ourselves in a better way by looking at our future. A simple visualization exercise will help you take you out of the stressful situation and revitalize the electrons that are nerve electrons that are uh, getting agitated or stressful due to the difficult situation you are in. You can actually come out of depression, anxiety, or insomnia, and even delusion by either doing the inner work for getting out of the situation or by sitting and doing a visualization exercise, which is a simple thing to do, as you need to just focus on a particular dream or a wish that you have been thinking about for a long time in your life, and you are simply reaching the point of fulfilling those wishes and desires. by visualizing yourself going into a situation where you are actually being able to fulfill your wishes. If you do a visualization exercise, it is a powerful spiritual exercise to do that will cure all these physical disorders caused by the frontal lobe activity of the brain. This is something that everyone can do to cure these physical disorders with the help of spiritual exercises, which are very simple to do. Visualization is a simple technique to do. Now, coming to the connection between past life trauma and the injuries you have, which are linked to the past life trauma you have. I had a friend who was associating himself with an injury in the hand when he had a difficult time, and even when he had come out of the situation by joining somewhere else and having a new career, mostly some of his memories take him to the old time when he had his broken hand. And what happened was, though he has cured his hand, at certain point of time, some memories take him back to the old past when he had his trauma, and that is something which actually, though the physical injury is cured, it is still there in his imprint, in his cellular memory. So what happens is, certain patterns will occur again in life, which will take you unnecessarily to an incident or a trauma that has happened before. And the physical link to the physical disorder is such that though his hand has healed from the past, he still feels that his hand is broken. And that is something that is caused by the incident or the repetitive memory of the incident, of the trauma that has happened to him. When such things happen, the only way to cure them is to do a visualization technique by which you are reaching a stage where you would have actually started manifesting the dreams and wishes that you have planned to do in the physical, but still your primitive memory takes you back to the stage where you had the injury before, you had the trauma before. So what happens is, there is an exercise a simple spiritual exercise to solve that problem. You need to visualize an astral cone, a cone shaped light coming out of your both of your eyes, and with the help of the astral cone that you have created, you need to visualize the particular incident that has taken you back to the past life memory when the trauma has happened. Say, in this case, that is the time when that person had the broken hand or the injury on his hand. First of all, you need to first thing is, you need to visualize the astral cone taking you to the old situation. Then you need to visualize what you are doing right now, or you would have started probably manifesting your wishes and dreams. Then it's very simple. You just have to you need to only visualize those things that you do every day, which is the point where you are actually manifesting your wishes and desires. And you repeat the exercise for 3 times again, taking you to the actual day-to-day activities that you are doing in the physical right now. From the first point of trauma, you are actually jumping to the current state of mind, where you are visualizing at least for 2-3 seconds. You need to do for a set of 3 times. daily, that you are what you are exactly doing daily, so that you come out of that trauma and you are reinforcing what you're actually doing to manifest your wishes and desires on the physical plane. You are actually manifesting the wishes and desires right now, but you are still not able to uh, recaptivate yourself because of your cellular memory taking you back to the past life trauma you had. So for such things, visualization exercise, and though you had actually started manifesting the wishes and desires, you might still had to use an astral cone which takes you to the old memory and what you're doing currently. If you do that regularly, that reinforces your cellular memory and the primitive autoconscious of your brain to a stage where the brain recognizes that okay, you have come out of that ancestral pattern or past life trauma, and right now you are manifesting your wishes and desires in the physical. It's very easy, but this is a seemingly very simple technique. It's a spiritual exercises which will help you come out of physical disorders which are serious, like depression, anxiety, insomnia, and even delusion can be caused by simple uh, things that people ignore. It is because of the harming of the frontal lobe of the brain that we sit in stressful situations. We are not able to replenish our nerve electrons to a stage where they can start something fresh. What happens is you need to keep them revitalized and fresh every day, just like we keep our physical bodies fresh by taking rest and giving it nutrition and nourishment. You need to nurture your frontal lobe of the brain. Whenever we have this kind of physical disorders of anxiety, depression, insomnia, or even delusion. And the best thing is you need to avoid those stressful situations whenever possible, especially if it is caused by external factors. You can do an I am meditation, which is for centering yourself. We need to center and ground ourselves. If you search on the internet, you will be getting a lot of I am meditations. It says, I am me, myself, I am above me, I am below me, I am on the front of me, I am on the back of me, I am on the left of me, I am on the right of me. And you center every single energy source into the source within you. If you center and ground yourselves doing these I am meditations, and you de-stress yourselves, and you do a simple visualization technique where you are actually going to a place. You can imagine a place which you always wanted to be when while you were dreaming about something, and you can simply sit and meditate on that, assuming that you have reached the stage of manifesting your wishes and dreams. Once you do that, you are actually giving positive energy for the nerve electron sitting on the frontal lobe of the brain. And the only gland that is useful in the frontal lobe is the pineal gland, which is situated in the third eye. And that is why the nourishment and the replenishment of the nerve electrons comes when you use your pineal gland for visualizing something that is good for your future. And the power center of the brain where the primitive autoconscious is situated is sitting in the backside of the brain. That is where you can actually use commands to control your brain. Like you can give a command to your heart saying the heart to feel the space between each breath you take, so that the heart starts beating slowly. That is a good thing you can actually do. You can use the psychic power command to put your hands in water that is cold. I can show you right now. Water, It's actually cold, but I am giving a command to feel myself that the water is getting hotter. This is an exercise called the bucket exercise, which you can do every day to use the psychic power commands, to we are actually tricking our brain, because the left part of the brain thinks that the water is cold, and from the back side of our brain we are issuing a power command saying that the water is getting hotter and hotter. Once you do that, you're actually controlling the backside of your brain. That is called water exercise, water bucket exercise, this is something you can do daily. And there will be an instant when you actually stand in a bucket or a pool of hot water and assuming that the water is getting colder. Okay.